Depending on the interactive whiteboard you have, you're going to have different software that comes with it, and there's many ways to interact with an interactive whiteboard. I'm going to show you some of the tools that an interactive whiteboard will allow you to use. I'm using Promethean's Active Inspire software to do this. However, every interactive whiteboard comes with their own software. The reason I use Active Inspire is because I feel it's one of the most user-friendly and easiest to use. However, there's various other options out there available to you. Now, to take the mystery out of interactive whiteboards, there's very few things you can really do with them, and it takes a bit of an imagination to make something special. So I'm not going to make anything special right now. I'm just going to show you some of the tools that you can use. The first one, and the handiest one that most people would be used to, is being able to write on a whiteboard, and using an interactive whiteboard it's no different. So depending on whether you've got a pen or you're using your finger on the board, you can select different types of pencils and stuff like that, and then different colours. So I'm just going to randomly pick a couple of colours here and just start writing as I would do on any interactive whiteboard. So I'm just writing my name here. Excuse my handwriting. Okay, so once you're able to write, that's fine. You can do that in various different colours, I suppose, very similar to a normal interactive whiteboard. Another thing you can do is, if you write something, is you can rub it out by using a rubber. And again, all interactive whiteboards software will have their own kind of rubber type thing. Finally, you can also highlight as well. Lots of interactive whiteboards would have highlighters. So if I highlight my name there, you can still see it underneath, but it's actually highlighted. So that's the sort of the mark-making tools. As well as that, you can draw lines and make shapes. Promethean's Active Inspire software here has quite a number of shapes here. So I'll just draw a yellow triangle with a black border, and we'll see how that comes out. There we go. And again, there's various shapes and things like that to work with. You can also draw lines, and depending again on the software lines, you can draw vertical lines, and you can draw horizontal lines very easily. So that's essentially that side of it too. As well as that, there's other ways of adding stuff in. As I'm not a great artist, I suppose it's handy if interactive whiteboard software has media, such as pictures and things like that. So if I go to this guy's software's browser, resource browser, I can find pictures of things that I like. So I might look for a picture of a dog. So I can just type in the word dog. And down below I have lots of different pictures of a dog, and I'll just pick one at random and say this one here, and I can just drag them up, and I've got pictures of a dog. So essentially that's another aspect to the software. I mean, particularly the clip art and the resources are very handy for building professional looking sites and making things look interesting. Now later on in the series I'll be showing you how to make interesting looking flip charts, but once you've got through that kind of thing, you're almost done. I mean, other options might include text. Some allow you to write and turn it into text, but I suppose it's kind of it's a bell and whistle more than anything else, and most people just find it quicker to type. If you don't like what you've typed, you can delete it, or you can make it bigger, smaller, as you would normally in anything. So that's just putting in text. So it's great. One thing that you can certainly do is interact with the internet, and that's quite an easy thing to do. So I can just type in any website I like, and we'll go to onshaw.net, and lo and behold, in a few seconds, the website should pop up. And there we go. So I mean, as I said, after that it's really up to the teacher's imagination of how they're going to create good resources, and throughout the course I'll be showing you all those things anyways. So hopefully have a play around with your interactive whiteboard and see the different marks you can make, bring in different bits of clip art, and then we're going to show you and join them together at a later stage.